I'm going to say might affect your YouTube channel from growing, okay, in one way or the other, and you need to listen to me. So if your YouTube channel stop growing, if you stop getting subscribers, if you stop getting views, if you stop getting recommended, if you stop getting a lot of things, those things are things that you need to look into what you have been doing. The first thing is, don't always think that anytime you are coming here you are going to be deleting videos like copyright videos. If you have a copyright videos on your channel, you don't need to delete them. All you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio, and you're going to be seeing where you are going to be removing those copyright videos without any issue, okay? Because the moment you keep deleting and deleting from your YouTube channel, it is gradually shadow banning your YouTube channel, and a lot of people don't know about this. That's why I don't advise you to just see a copyright videos and then you just delete the video. It is not making sense. Those things can shadow ban your channel. Another thing again, people just go ahead and maybe they create videos and those videos are not having views, and you now go to re-upload that same video again on your YouTube channel, and then telling YouTube that that particular channel is having 2 videos. That thing can also drag your YouTube channel to backward. What do I mean? That thing can link your YouTube channel to get demonetized if your YouTube channel get monetized in the future, because you might think you're doing yourself a favor, but you're not doing yourself a favor. So stop that attitude of posting your YouTube videos and then re-uploading them again. It is not making sense. It is destroying your channel. It can lead you to monetization. The first one is if you keep deleting, it can lead you to shadow ban. The second one is if you keep re-uploading the videos that you have and you keep re-uploading them again because you want to have views, it might also lead your channel to demonetization. And if you're fond of carrying your videos to another YouTube page that you have, on that YouTube channel that you have, and then you are re-uploading that same video there, it will also lead you to demonetization. Those things are tagged as reused content. Those things, and see, let me just say, one thing you should know is that once your channel is shadow banned on YouTube, to get views will become a problem. To get audience attention will become a problem. To get your videos recommended will become a problem. To get a lot of things on YouTube, to get subscribers will become a problem. Another big mistake that YouTubers are doing that is dragging you backward every time is not paying attention to what you are filming. What kind of videos are you filming, for crying out? You just come here and film a blurry video. You bring a blurry video. Right now I'm using the natural lighting. At least this video is clear and it's audible enough for you as my viewers to be able to like listen to. Nobody should even come for me and say, oh, because you are using mic. Even when I was not using mic, when I never had mic, my voice is always on top so that you can also hear me loud and clear. Those are things you should consider when filming your videos before you start complaining that you're not seeing views, you're not seeing subscribers, you're not seeing watch hour, you don't want to get monetized and every other stuff like that. And I hope this video is able to help someone. If it does, let me know in the comment section, and if you want more of this kind of tips, also let me know and I'll be bringing more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like always say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Make sure that you're doing the right thing. Bye. Mwah.